In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your BeeHiiv account logo. Whether you're rebranding, starting fresh, or simply want to give your account a more personal touch, updating your logo is an important step in managing your online presence. Let's walk through this process together so you can have a crisp and updated logo displayed on your account. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your BeeHiiv dashboard. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the BeeHiiv website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Your dashboard is essentially your command center for all things related to your BeeHiiv account. This is where you'll find the settings for customizing your account among other useful features. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to locate the settings icon. Depending on the website layout you have, it might appear in the upper right corner or along a sidebar. Clicking on this icon will open up a variety of settings options available for your account. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first with all its options, because we'll go directly to what we need today. After you've clicked on the settings icon, the next stop is the general information section. This is really the hub for all of your basic customization features related to your BeeHiiv account. In this section, you can update essential items such as your publication's title, description, and, most importantly for today, the logo. Keeping this section up to date is essential to ensure that all your branding remains coherent and that your audience can easily recognize your presence online. Now that you're in the general information area, keep an eye out for the publication logo option. This will be the focal point of today's task. Click on it, and you should see a new window pop up that allows you to upload your new logo. Ensure your logo file is one that BeeHiiv supports, like a PNG or JPEG, and that it's of high resolution to guarantee the best display quality once uploaded. After you've selected and uploaded the new logo, make sure not to forget to hit Save. This is a crucial step because if you forget to save, you might find yourself needing to start the process from scratch, and we certainly don't want that to happen. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll now have your BeeHiiv account showcasing your updated logo. Not only does this enhance the visual appeal of your account, but it also strengthens your brand identity. Always keep in mind that consistency in branding is essential to capture and maintain the interest of your audience. So go ahead, take a moment to admire how your new logo looks on your profile, and enjoy the fresh aesthetic it brings to your account. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy customizing.